Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. In this video, I will give you more information about the top 5 best speaker wires that are available on the market. Actually, I try to make popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinion and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the link description section below. Don't forget subscribe this channel for view future videos. Let's start this videos. Starting at number 5, we have InstallGear 14 Aruban Florin speaker wire. This InstallGear speaker wire is particularly popular for car speaker systems, but it can also be used for home systems. The dual-colored jacket makes it easy to identify polarity, and it's made from soft PVC, so it's easy to maneuver under carpets, behind side panels, and through small openings, plus you can strip it quickly. You can also purchase InstallGear wires with banana plugs if you want to simplify things even further. If blue and black aren't for you, InstallGear also offers wires with different jackets, so you can choose your preferred color combination, including clear, solid white, and solid black options. Moving on at number 4, we have Gearit 14 Aruban Florin's outdoor speaker wire. If you want to run your speaker wires underground, you'll need a wire designed for direct burial to keep you and your connection safe. This wire from Gearit does just that, with an extra black, UV-resistant PVC jacket to keep things secure. This outer jacket also has sequential markings every foot for more accurate measurement approximations. Each wire has a color-coded jack inside the outer layer for polarity identification. This wire is also approved for in-wall installation and pairs easily with most connectors. At number 3, we have Amazon Basics 16 Aruban Florin speaker wire. The Amazon Basics speaker wire is an excellent budget-friendly option with glowing reviews that espouse its functionality. While it may not be top of the line or feature pure copper, it will get the job done for at-home systems. If you are putting together a home system and don't care to weigh in on the CCA versus OFC material debate, then going with this affordable option won't lead you astray. This 16-gauge wire is wrapped in a clear plastic jacket, with a white line down one side to indicate polarity. While this pick isn't as visible as color-coded jackets, you'll still be able to tell how to establish each channel's symmetry between amp and speaker. It's compatible with almost any connector and is neatly wrapped around a plastic dispenser. At number 2, we have Cable Direct speaker wire. Cable Direct is primarily a brand of cables and wires that offers pretty much all kinds of wires that you can imagine, including multiple speaker wires that all offer great performance. The Cable Direct speaker wire is given in this list since it is one of the best sounding options available out there. While the 50 feet length of this speaker wire might not be ideal for heavy-duty usage, it should be plenty for using at your home or inside a car. And considering that this speaker wire uses a wire diameter of 14 Aruban Florins, it should offer pretty good audio quality. Speaking of audio quality, you will be glad to know that this speaker wire uses a pure copper core, which is definitely the best option out there. You even get a PVC jacket along with this speaker wire, which makes it quite practical. And finally at number 1, GS Power speaker wire. When compared with other brands of speaker wires, GS Power is much more popular since it is known for offering some of the best options in terms of both build quality as well as audio quality. GS Power's speaker wire is given in this listicle as it is hands down the best performing speaker wire option discussed here. Not only does it offer the best audio quality possible, but it is also quite long at 100 feet. Moving over to the sound quality side of things, this speaker wire has a wire diameter of 16 Aruban Florins, which is one of the highest out there. But the best part about this speaker wire is that it uses a pure copper core for the best possible audio quality. To ensure that you can easily use this speaker wire in tight spaces, it uses a PVC jacket, which makes it quite flexible.